Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the scooter model and firmware so you know which tracking features are available. Next, install the Ninebot app and sign in. Allow Bluetooth and location permissions because the app uses both. If you prefer independent tracking, pick a compact GPS tracker now. Once chosen, charge the tracker and phone and place the tracker near the scooter to test connectivity. This gets you moving quickly while ensuring you can actually connect and receive location data. Pairing is the bridge between hardware and data. Open the app, follow the pair sequence, and confirm the scooter reports speed and position. If you install a separate GPS tracker, remove the deck cover just enough to access a mounting spot. Place the tracker where signal isn't blocked and secure it with ties. Connect to switched or constant power if needed, or rely on the tracker battery, then set reporting intervals. Slower intervals save battery, while faster intervals give more precise tracking. Finish by taking a brief ride and watching the live location and trip history. Confirm geofence alerts if you configured them. Once done, adjust reporting intervals to balance battery life versus accuracy and secure all cables and covers. If tracking fails, immediately reboot the app, the phone, and the tracker, then repair and check app permissions and GPS lock. If problems persist, inspect the tracker's power source and antenna placement. Small repositioning often restores consistent signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.